In this video, I'm going to teach you how to play The Sims 4 on tablet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to present multiple different solutions that you can use to play The Sims 4 on your tablet. So, as you might be aware, The Sims 4 is not natively available for mobile devices, so you cannot simply go over to the App Store or the Google Play Store and find the game. Because of this, we need to use certain workarounds. For this video, I'm going to showcase 3 methods depending on the options that you have available. So the first one is going to be if you are running the game through Steam. Steam is a very popular, arguably the most popular gaming platform for digital content on PC, and if you own The Sims 4 here, you can download Steam Link on the Play Store. So look for Steam Link through the Google Play Store or the App Store, and once you have it downloaded, Steam Link is going to allow you to link or bridge your PC and your mobile device. As you can see here, it is going to give you digital controls, so these touch controls, and you can play any game, including The Sims 4. After the connection has been established, you will be streaming your PC's screen over to your mobile device, and as long as your PC is powered on and running The Sims 4, you will be able to play The Sims 4 there. The other option that you have is going to be through Xbox Cloud Gaming. For this, you will need an active Game Pass Ultimate subscription, so keep that in mind. You go over to xbox.com/play, so open a web browser on your tablet and then visit this website, and if you look for The Sims 4 from the list of games, you will be able to find it here. Then you click the option to play, and as long as the Game Pass Ultimate subscription is active, the game is going to be running on one of Microsoft's computers streamed over to your tablet. So this is going to require a very strong internet connection, and like I said, the Game Pass Ultimate subscription, which can be costly. The last option that I want to showcase is Moonlight. If you are running The Sims 4 on your PC, regardless of the platform, so through the EA app, through Steam, through Epic Games, you can download this tool, and essentially it allows you to stream your PC screen over to your mobile device. It is essentially the same thing as Steam Link, but this allows you to do it with other platforms as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to play The Sims 4 on tablet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.